Hey everyone, so today's video is going to be different than all the others because today's video is an actual meal, not just a baking video or a condiment video. So today's video are pepperoni and cheese calzones made with homemade pizza dough. So on that note, please remember to like and subscribe. Recipes are going to be down in the description of the video, and let's get to it. So here we go. First part of this video, the pizza dough. Now you can use store-bought pizza dough that comes in the rolls, but I can guarantee that it will not taste as good as this. Of course, everything homemade tastes better than anything bought in the store. So here I have about 1 cup of warm water. To that, I'm going to add a teaspoon of sugar, and we are going to, at least I do it anyway, some people don't, some people do, it's up to you, stir that until the sugar is dissolved. Okay, leave the spoon there. Now, if you don't have packages of yeast, that's fine. I have a jar, as you can see. Usually 1 package of yeast will be fine. If you don't have 1 package of yeast, well, I'm adding 2.5 teaspoons of yeast. Give that a quick stir and let that sit for 5-10 minutes until it starts to get foamy. Put that off to the side for now. Okay, so a few minutes have gone by. Now, the yeast mixture is proofing, blooming up. As you can see, it's getting nice and foamy. So while we're waiting another couple minutes, this is what we're going to do. I'm going to take 1 tablespoonful now of sugar, add it to this mixing bowl. This is a bread maker machine mixing bowl, because quite frankly, if you have a bread maker or a mixer that can handle bread doughs, use it to your advantage. Use the mixer. So I'm going to let the bread maker do the work. So 1 tablespoonful of sugar in the bowl. To that, 2 tablespoons of oil. If you have olive oil, use it. I do not, so I'm just using regular canola oil. No, all you purists out there going, oh, you should use olive oil. Well, get over it. Okay. So, now, we're going to take our mixture, like so, put it in. If you, okay, sorry, I completely forgot what I was going to say. 2 cups of flour in. And then to that, I'm going to add some salt. Anywhere from 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon, or a few grinds, as you can see. And then put it in to the bread maker. Okay, so I have the bread maker ready. On the dough setting of the bread maker, put that in, hit start. And now, just close it, let the bread maker do its thing, which for my particular bread maker, this setting goes for 1.5 hours. So your dough is going to be doubled up, and then we'll make the rest of the calzone. Okay, so the dough is out. I've separated it into 2. Roll this one out. Yes, I know it's not a perfect circle. Well, I don't make pizza all the time, so now what we're going to do for our calzone, we are going to add some sauce. You don't want too much. right on the bottom there. Here I have some freshly grated mozzarella and Gouda. Put a handful of that. And then as much or as little pepperoni as you like. Like so. I like a lot of pepperoni in mine, so. Ready? Next, you want to take it, fold it over, like so. And then basically, what we're going to do is roll it and crimp. Roll and crimp. Now this doesn't look like much right now. It will puff up. I'll do the other one, put it onto a pan, and show you what we're going to do next. Okay, so both on the pan. Here I have an egg with about a teaspoon and a half of garlic. Add a little bit of salt. Mix this up. Like so. Now what we are going to do, we are going to create a couple holes so the steam inside can come out, or you can do a cut if you want. Now here, you take egg wash, take a brush, make sure you get some garlicky goodness in there, and start painting. Just like so. Okay. Same with the other one. I'm getting every nook and cranny to get that garlicky goodness in there. Like so. Now, one last thing I'm going to do. Sprinkle some extra cheese right on top. Like so. I'm actually just going to use what's left over. Okay, now these go into 400 degree preheated oven for about 20-25 minutes, or until it's nice golden brown and crispy. We're done. During the time, about halfway through, I did bump up the oven to 450 degrees just to give it a nice golden crust. And here we go. Ta-da! So I'm going to get these off now. Careful, they are hot. And now to cut into one. Get my trusty knife. Now if all is good according to plan, it should be gooey, and melty. And that there you go. Hope you enjoy. Have fun. Please like and subscribe. Recipe will be in the description below. And see you in the next video.